Good morning children, welcome back to the English class. Today we discuss about the continued part of the lesson, The Dog Ate My Homework. So in the last class we know about Tony was telling lies to his teacher about his homework. So on Tuesday he was telling lie as the dog will eat up his homework. Then Wednesday also his little brother tear his homework book. Then in Thursday also his homework will went down the kitchen drain when his mom was washing the dishes. Next in Friday also he was telling lie as he was very sick, so doctor will suggest him to take some rest. So now I read the next part of the lesson. The teacher knew Tony was telling lies. She called Tony's mother on the phone. Half an hour later, Tony's mother was at school. Now Tony was in trouble. He had no answer, no explanation. He had to hang his head in shame. Tony's mother told his father the whole story. His father was very angry. He put Tony on restriction. Now look, here is Tony. He is finishing up his last week's homework, but he is thinking about his friends. He could be playing with them in the park and then eating his favorite burger at McDonald's. So here now daily Tony was telling lies to the teacher. So now his teacher know about Tony was telling lies. So she called his mother to come to school. Then half an hour later his mother was be at school. So now Tony was in trouble. So he was not able to tell again lies. So he had no answer, no explanation to reply them. Then he had to bend his head in a shame. Because why he was bent his head in a shame? Because he was telling lies to the teacher every day. So now Tony's mother told his father the whole story. So when she come back from school, Tony's mother will told to Tony's fathers everything what he had done in the school, then how he escaped from doing homework and then take a punishment. So now his father was very angry and then put a restriction to him. He was not went to play with his friends and then not went to outside to had the burger. So now look, Tony was very sad and then he was now finishing the homework of last week. But he was thinking about his friends. They were playing in a park and then eating his favorite burger at McDonald's. So he thinking about, so in a last week he has to complete his homework. So now he was free. Okay children? Last week he already completed his homework. Now in this week he was free to play with his friends and then to had his favorite burger in a McDonald's shop. So he was thinking like that. So that wise don't escape from the homework. So the theme of this lesson is, so don't tell a lie to the teachers and to the elders. So be always true. So don't able to escape from the bad things. Okay, you always do a good and then think good. Okay, this is the day of our lesson children. Once you will read the lesson and then now I would like to tell you the meanings of some words. Pleasantly means delight. Pleasantly means delight and then restriction, put some rules to anyone. And then favorite means liked. Next trouble means in problem. Next explanation means clarification, give clarification. So pleasantly delight, restriction, put some rules, favorite, liked, trouble, in problem, explanation, clarification. So this is the meaning of words, difficult words, and then you have to read the lesson. So now I completed the